Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best freestanding curtain rod on the market, the SUNALLY Room Divider Curtain Rod. If you're looking for a versatile, no-drill, and adjustable solution to create privacy or divide your space, this product is designed to fit a variety of needs and environments. The SUNALLY Room Divider Curtain Rod is crafted from solid stainless steel, making it both durable and rust-resistant. This means you can rely on it for long-term use, even in areas where moisture might be a concern. One of the standout features is its impressive load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 45 pounds. This allows you to hang a wide range of curtain types, from heavy blackout curtains to lighter sheer fabrics, without worrying about sagging or instability. What really makes this rod special is its adjustability. The height can be extended from 4 feet all the way up to 10 feet, while the width can be adjusted between 28 inches and 70 inches. This wide range means it can fit almost any space, whether you want to partition a small corner or separate a larger room. Additionally, the rod is modular, allowing you to add extension rods for even more customization. This flexibility ensures a perfect fit no matter the size or layout of your room. Installation is a breeze with this product. Since it uses tension to hold itself firmly between the floor and ceiling, no drilling or hardware is required. This feature makes it an excellent choice for renters, dorm dwellers, or anyone hesitant to damage walls or ceilings. The rod works well on various surfaces including tile, wood, plaster, popcorn, and textured ceilings, providing a sturdy fit without leaving marks or holes. Another great aspect of the SUNALLY Room Divider is its portability and convenience. The rod can be easily installed or removed within minutes, and it's detachable for simple storage or transport. Whether you need a temporary room divider or a semi-permanent solution, this rod adapts to your needs effortlessly. The design is sleek and modern, available in black and white, which blends well with most interior styles. It also offers 2 setup options: a horizontal layout to divide wide spaces or an L-shaped arrangement ideal for creating private corners. This versatility in design expands its usability, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or studios. One thing to keep in mind is that curtains are not included, so you can choose the style and fabric that best match your decor and privacy needs. Whether you prefer blackout curtains for light control or decorative sheers for a soft touch, this rod can handle it. Overall, the SUNALLY Room Divider Curtain Rod combines strength, flexibility, and ease of use into one well-built product. Its no-drill installation and wide adjustability make it a top contender in the freestanding curtain rod category. If you're seeking a reliable and customizable way to partition your space without damaging your walls, this might just be the perfect solution. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.